I have very dry hair, dry and wavy hair, but not like the cool waves, the waves that like are very unruly. So I straighten my hair a lot. Sometimes I'll curl it. I only do haircuts twice a year because I am super low maintenance. And then I heard about Olaplex, and it basically changed everything for me. I feel like, and this is a real testimony, this has changed my hair for the better like nothing else has. You wet your hair, you get it on first, you leave it on for 10 minutes. This is the number 3. And then you're gonna shampoo and condition like normal. This has made my hair so much softer, so much shinier, and I swear by it now. As far as the smell goes, it's got like a nice smell to it too, so it doesn't smell chemically or anything like that. In fact, they're very anti-chemicals. So this is something you're gonna use 2 to 3 times a week on damaged hair. I only wash my hair about once a week, so I'm using it once a week. So if you have dry and damaged hair like me, this one's really good for that.